What is a Forex demo account and how does it work? As the name suggests, a demo account is a demonstration account where you can trade Forex without the risk of investing your own money. With a demo account, you'll be able to buy and sell currencies, test trading strategies, and get comfortable with the world of Forex. It's just like trading real money, but without the risk. Remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill you need to work on, and a great way to start your trading journey is to build up your experience with a demo account. So how can you get started? First, head over to blueberrymarkets.com and click on Open Demo Account. You'll then be able to download the platform to start trading with your virtual money. You'll have up to $50,000 to trade with, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to work on your trading skills and build your confidence. To get the most out of your demo account, you'll want to take your trades seriously. It's usually good to start with one major currency pair until you get the feel for it. Although Forex demo accounts are a great way to learn, keep in mind it's not the same as trading your own hard-earned money. The rewards and risks of trading your own capital introduce an exciting psychological component, which is different from using a demo account. So if you're serious about becoming a Forex trader, a demo account is your first step on this journey, but don't get stuck there. When you're ready to take the plunge into the real world of Forex trading, you can open a live trading account at blueberrymarkets.com. And to stay up to date with the latest Forex analysis and tips, get your free insider's guide by subscribing to the Blueberry Markets YouTube channel and hitting the notification bell.